Yeah, nkulu kunjani bhuti wami? Ndiyaphila. Hayi, ndivumelana nami. Hayi, ayikho into esizayinikwa nguMntasinga. I don't know, si-observe ngokungafani, sibukela ibhola ngokungafani. That's why there's two different analysts nase-TV-ni. Hayi, andiboni mna if uMntasingwa is better than Cele. If iChiefs bezama ukureplace uCele ngoMntasingwa, ayi iseshaye phansi. I think bekufanele uba uCele kuyaxolelwana mani yonke indawo, bekufanele uba bamxolele uMjida, kuyaliwa yonke indawo. Bekufanele uba uKaizer Junior afumane indawo yokuxolela unantsika uThabo Cele eyazosidlalela la midfield man. Ish ngoba ngathi sizawuba ne-problem. Ucoach nisezamnika i-chance ndombukela but i-starting 11 sakhe asingichazanga man. Sinama-player asimila kakhulu, two defensive midfielders zikhona kodwa nasebhentshini unenye i-defensive midfielder kanayo umuntu o-attack-ayo. UnoBathman emasayidini, alisho ukuthi udlale kakubi. UnoBathman noVelakazi bayakhona ukudlala u-10 boyi-2. At least bekufanele uba uthathe oyi-1 amdlalise u-10 athathe inansika iwinga eyi-1 ebingafunction yona leka bengingafunctioni kakhulu iwinga kaBathman. Befanele umthathile at least afake uVelebhayani maze ukhusha umenzeni uVelebhayi. I think bengingakwazi ukuthi even if umnika i-second half 20-25 minutes akwazi ukucheck-a akwazi ukunantsika uku-attack-a la defense ye-Arrows ube nophili kwela cala because umnandi unantsika uVelebhayi uyakhona ukudlala kwi-left kwi-left wing nakwi-right wing. So ngicabanga ukuthi bekengenza ngcono kakhulu izolo if bekefake bona angabi ama-defensive midfield amaninzi. UnoMabuwe nonantsika ebhentshini noMntasingwa ebaleni ebhentshini futhi unoNdlovu noMthethwa futhi hayi no, I think mina kunala iphose khona even nama-analysis wethu akangabe spot on. I think assistant coach lo beke wasizayo uDillon Shepherd bekufanele abasize ucoach bethu man ababonisa ukuthi eSouth Africa kudlalwa kanjani. I think mina besingayiwina la match ye-Arrows if besinabantu abangakhona ukuya njengoVelebhayi ngale noLangelihle Philo on the other flank, but ke it's just my opinion. I don't think i-valued kangako to i-Kaizer Chiefs, but ikhona into endiyisolayo ngocoach but asimnike i-chance sibone kwigame ya Wednesday. But I think bekufanele bayilungise i-starting line up sakhe nebhench yakhe ingabi predictable, ingabi neplayer ezifanayo kakhulu man. At least kube nama-player akhona uku-attack kakhulu than ama-player akhona ukudefenda. Enkosi Nkulunkulu.